Good morning, scholars. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Students, in today's video, I will tell you how you can download Scratch free from the internet. First of all, go to Google Chrome, type here in the search box free download Scratch 2.0. After that, press enter. You will find number of links here. You have to click on the first link, Scratch 2.0, like this. Now you will find this type of screen in front of you. Here you will find these three options: Adobe Air, Scratch Offline Editor, Sport Material. Here you need to select the second option, and second option is Scratch Offline Editor, Windows download. Select this download option. It will take few seconds to download this. Once it has been downloaded, you can open it. Here it will give message installing Scratch 2.0. Please wait. See here, now it has installed the file. Now this type of application install dialog box, it will appear in front of you. You have to click on continue button. After that it will give a message here, application install dialog box, it will appear. Here you have to click on this button, I agree. Once you will click on I agree option, then it will ask this question: do you want to allow this app to make changes on your device? Then you can click on yes. Now it is installing application on your laptop. Just see the change on your screen. Once it has been installed on your computer, you will find this type of screen. Scratch is a free visual programming language where you move blocks into a set of order and then configure some of the blocks to create interactive stories, games, and animation. This language is fairly easy for anyone to learn, and it enables you to quickly see the results of your work and even includes graphics and sounds. Scratch was started in 2007. Scratch is a project of lifelong kindergarten group at the MIT. Media Lab. So today you have learned how you can install Scratch on your laptop. So in this way you can install it on your laptop or PC. Now if you want to close this, then click on cross button. It will be closed. Now you just see a change here. You will see on the desktop this icon, it will appear Scratch 2. If you want to open it, just double click on it, and then this Scratch program, it will be opened in front of you. And if you want to close it, then just click on cross button, then it will be closed. So that's all for today. Today I have explained you how you can install Scratch on your PC or laptop. That's all for today. Thank you so much.